How to fix a frozen mobile phone. In this video, we shall learn how to fix a frozen phone, therefore whether you are using iPhone or Android, just follow the instructions below. 1. Plug your phone into a charger. If your phone won't turn on at all, it may have run out of batteries. Plug your phone into a wall charger or a USB port in a computer that isn't asleep, and then let it charge for several minutes. 2. Close a frozen app. If a particular app is frozen but you can still use your Android, it's pretty easy to force the app to close. 3. Restart your Android. If your phone's screen is black, a solid color, or frozen on an app, try restarting it. Press and hold the power button, and then select the option to restart. Or, just select power off, wait about 30 seconds, and then try turning it back on again. 4. Force your phone to restart. If restarting your phone with the previous step didn't help, you can try forcing it to restart. 5. Perform a factory reset if your phone is still frozen or won't boot. If you can't get your phone to turn on after it was frozen, a factory reset may fix your problem. Keep in mind that factory resetting your phone will erase all data on the phone, so this works best if you've created a backup already. But as long as you have data synced to your Google account, such as your contacts, emails, and other data, you'll be able to restore that even if you don't have a backup. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more updates.